Okay, this is a review of the best olive oil you can buy. Okay, so this olive oil is very actually small. It's only 250 milliliters or 8.5 flow ounce. So if you really think about it, if I empty this olive oil into a container, let's say if I empty it, this container, it will basically fill up one of these and maybe a half of one. Maybe half of one. That's about it. There's not much olive oil in here. Now the container looks pretty big, right? There's a lot of glass. It looks long. So you think it's gonna be a lot of olive oil, but it's not. It's only gonna put this much of olive oil in a small container like this. So a lot of marketing, a lot of gimmicks going on. But again, come to the ingredient list. Look at this. Extra virgin olive oil from 100% organic olives. Okay? That's one thing I look for. Another thing I look for is it cold pressed. Cold pressed means, it's not heated. So a lot of the nutrients and minerals are depleted. So you don't want, and most olive oil is not going to tell you it's heated. But olive oil that's cold pressed is much better for you and health wise, and it's unfiltered, so less processing of the oil. Okay, this is better. Now another thing to notate is with this oil, it's coming from one location. A lot of oils, especially olive oils, they're coming from different countries, they're being mixed in with different stuff. With this one, it's coming from one estate. Okay, so this is a very good brand. It's very expensive. It's $10 for this very, very small amount that you're getting. But it's one of the best olive oils you can be able to purchase out there.